Kamusta mga Sagittarius? Handa na ba kayong alamin ang cosmic insights para sa Marso 2025? Sa video na ito, ibabahagi ko ang mga tarot predictions na maaring maggabay sa inyo sa buwang ito. Mula sa pag-ibig at karera hanggang sa personal na pag-unlad, sama-sama nating tuklasin kung ano ang inihanda ng mga baraha para sa inyo. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is M and I am an intuitive tarot reader. So in this tarot reading session, we will be discussing the monthly prediction for the zodiac sign Sagittarius, and we will be tackling March 2025. So there would be a career reading, a love reading, and a health reading, and we will be pulling out the theme for this month. So without further ado, let's begin. Ang tema para sa buwan ng Marso 2025 para sa zodiac sign na Sagittarius ay passion. Very fitting, 'di ba? Kasi Sagittarius is a fire sign, and parang yun ang kilala ang mga fire signs with yung passion, kumbaga. So passion, it actually depends on how you perceive the word passion. So, it can mean a lot of things. This can be lust, this can be love, this can be creativity. So, it can come in all sorts of form, shapes, and sizes or situations. It can be a person. So, ang tema niyan, ang guidance para sa'yo ngayong buwan ng Marso ay huwag kang mawawalan ng passion sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Whether this is about work, this is about love, this is about pursuing your dreams, or doing something because you are having that creative juices. Lagi mong tandaan na ngayong buwan ng March, kung ikaw ay pinanghihinaan ng loob, tandaan mo that there is that fire inside of you. And yun nga, kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, very fitting because Sagittarius is a fire sign. And alam nyo, parang hindi nyo mapagkakaila na passion is a word that is very descriptive of yourself. Okay, Sagittarius, this is already your career reading, and the base card that came out is the Judgment card in the reverse. So, very fitting again because, again, related ito sa pagiging passionate mo. So, sinasabi dito, pagdating sa career mo, maaring matigas ang ulo mo. What do I mean by that? Meron kang mga bagay na gustong ipilit pagdating sa career mo. So, maybe there is a concept that you want to bring up in your career. So, may naisip kang idea, sinabi mo ito sa boss mo, iniisip ng boss mo na ito ay isang magandang idea, but right now, example lang ito para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin. Your boss thinks it's a good idea, but the thing is, walang budget. So, parang sinabi ng boss mo na for now, keep it to yourself dahil hindi pa natin pwedeng isagawa itong idea mo. Maaring sinabi yun ng boss mo na walang budget, pero sa tingin niya, it's not good for the long run. So, ganun ang pwedeng ibig sabihin nun. So, what I'm trying to say here is, you're not, parang, pagdating ngayong March, wag mo nang ipilit yung gusto mong mangyari pagdating sa career mo. With the clarifying cards here, the Magician in the reverse, the Fool card in the reverse, and the Five of Wands in the reverse, gagawin mo ang lahat para mapilit yung mga tao na kailangan mong pilitin para ma-approve yung gusto mong mangyari sa trabaho. To the point na maaring may panlilin lang na mangyayari. So, you will try to convince people that your idea is good. Pero, in such a way na maaring hindi naman ito talaga parang, yung kumbaga, yes, it's a good idea, but there would be some loopholes kumbaga. So, hindi ito parang advisable na gawin dahil maaring malaki ang budget na kailangang kunin or hindi kakayanin ng manpower. So, madaming factors na pwedeng ma-involve. And the Nine of Wands in the upright, the Devil card in the upright, and the Moon card in the upright, kung ipipilit mo yung gusto mo, ikaw rin ang magsasuffer in the long run. Kasi, pagdurusahan mo yung maaring pagpipilit. So, ngayon, pwedeng sabihin natin na, yes, this is a good idea. Yes, we will benefit from it. Pero in the long run, maaring hindi ito feasible, kumbaga, kasi hindi kakayanin na longer yung idea mo. And with the clarifying cards here, try to keep a good working relation with the people around you because kapag hindi, it might lead to a tower moment. So, tower moment, maring mawalan ka ng trabaho dahil pinipilit mo yung gusto mo, maring malaman nila na merong hanky-panky na ginagawa dun sa trabaho and madidiscover yan ng mga tao. So, be very careful this month pagdating sa career mo. Sagittarius, this is your love reading if you are in a relationship. If you are single, you can skip this part and go to the next section of this reading. So, for those of you who are in a relationship, the card that came out is the Nine of Wands in the upright. So, yung mga may karelasyon dyan, yung may mga partner, March will not be a very good month for those of you who are in a relationship because magkakaroon ng mga problema na pagdadaanan ngayong buwan ng Marso. And with the clarifying cards here, Four of Cups in the reverse, the King of Wands in the reverse, and the Eight of Swords in the reverse, mag-ingat kasi maaring meron kang energy na gusto mong makipaghiwalay or maghanap ng iba ngayong buwan ng Marso. Kumbaga, single and ready to mingle ang energy mo kahit na in a relationship ka. Kasi parang hindi ka kontento sa kung anong meron sa ngayon doon sa relationship. You're wanting to have fun, move away from the relationship, pero hindi mo pa kayang makipag-break. So, yun ang maaring forecast for those who are in a relationship. Mag-ingat kasi baka matempt na to go astray or mag-cheat or have an affair with other people. So, yun lang. Hindi sagot sa problema ng mga magkarelasyon yung papasok ka sa ibang relationship or titingin ka sa iba or matetempt ka. Ayusin yung mga problema na kinakaharap nyo or kakaharapin nyo ngayong buwan ng Marso kasi madaming temptations around you. Okay, for those of you who are single, ito naman ang love reading nyo for the month of March. Ang unang tatlong card na lumabas ay ang Knight of Wands in the reverse, Four of Wands in the reverse, and the Star card in the upright. So, ibig sabihin nito, maaaring nandun ka sa lugar kung saan ini-enjoy mo ang pagiging single mo. But, the thing is, you wanted this, but it doesn't reflect kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Maaring napapagod ka na, kaka-party, kaka-mingle, wala ka namang makilala, ganon yung energy. But, this is the single life or singlehood that you wanted. So, pero parang magkakaroon ng exhaustion, kumbaga, napapagod ka na. Yung kaka-party, ganun. And it says here, there might be a person who will be coming into your life right now, ngayong March. This is an older person, a very wise person. And maaring may magbigay or maaring magbigay ito ng offer sa'yo. May offer siya sa'yo, hindi naman agad ito relationship, but maybe some type of connection, friendship, ganon. And it says here, if you are parang nagdadalawang isip kung itong taong ba ito ay makakabuti para sa'yo or hindi, do not think twice because this person will come into your life or darating siya sa buhay mo for parang in a good way. Matutulungan ka niya. Hindi man ito romantic relationship agad. Maaring ang foundation nyo ay friendship or maaring magiging matagal kayong magkaibigan, i-entertain mo lang. Wala namang masama kung may darating, 'di ba? Wag lang susugod agad into a relationship kasi dahil iniisip mo na pagod ka na maging single, just entertain for the sake of having to meet new friends. Okay, so the last section here is the health reading for you, Sagittarius. And ang card na lumabas ay ang King of Wands in the reverse. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, kung meron kang nararamdaman or meron kang health issues na kinakaharap sa ngayon, wag mo na ito ipagpabukas na magpa-check up. Kung ikaw ay natatakot na magpunta sa doktor, ang guidance para sa'yo ay walang masama na humingi ng tulong sa iyong mga kakilala, especially sa pamilya, sa mga kaibigan, na you trust. Hindi yung mga pinagdududahan mong tao yung magsasama sa'yo sa ospital. So, yun lang ang sagot. Kung ikaw ay may nararamdaman na parang masakit or parang meron kang recurring na sakit na ayaw mong magpatingin, kung ikaw ay natatakot pumunta sa health specialist, then this is your sign to ask for help from your loved ones or your close circle. Kung hindi pamilya, pwedeng kaibigan na malapit na pinagkakatiwalaan. So to end your tarot reading session, I have pulled here some oracle cards for guidance. And the first one is have faith in your dreams. And the last one is it's time to take action.